Hey, oh no, not again.
Yep, again.
Hey, man. You better not be laughing.
You hear me coming to her?
Wait,
Why are we handcuffed?
we can't get together.
It'd be funny.
You know I can easily just... What the...
What the? Why can't I?
Sorry, we had to do it. I told her what to do is class would do a spell to handcuff. I ain't playing...
Is this jokeable? Die!
You can't, you can... Oh, I'm so dead.
Sorry, I have tried to come up with some bad mango.
You hit me with a pillow. Hey, wait, what? Oh, wait, I think we'll just let them all join. Yeah.
Why did you not fit?
Shut up, it's kind of stupid anyway. Actually, we'll follow this.
See him?
Love it, once I get over there, you're so dead. You like dead meat? Like this channel? Okay, no, but bad mango. Well, also, I adopted 2 children. Mango? Mango. Oh my god.
I shocked her out of existence. You what?
Okay. And their names are Chips and Salsa. Okay, pretty stupid. I hear. Where's the gun?
Hey, I can't fly.
You can, we're stuffed animals. Oh, you know what? I'll just scare you. Ugh. Where's the gun? Can't believe. Uh-oh, here it is. Let's see. I want you to shoot the chain. Oh, this is Mel and this is a toy gun.
Shut you mine.
Okay, Ooh, hey! That's yeah, Alfie.
Oh, we gotta try something else.
The keys are where the children.
The keys! There are the keys!
Hey, I'm Salsa and I'm Chips.
Nice to meet you.
Are you the teacher?
Yep. You're some ties. Who are you?
Hold up. Now that the red fox told us. I'm Mango. Like, how are you guys flying? Or stuffed animals like y'all can fly?
We can't get this thing off. Oh, no, wreck it.
Okay. Smack me against the box will not. Okay, can you please also? All I have to do is watch ship dust.
Hey, this is fire.
Okay.
You see, that was easy.
Wow. Oh. No. Oh. That was my day when we came to election.
That's a good.
Are you guys sisters? No. She's watching out.
Coming fast. What the? Got the keys.
Okay. What's this? Unhandcuffed it, and then we'll figure. Okay.
there.
It's gonna take.
I know. Oh, keys. I love.
No, okay.
Ooh, a bottle. I wonder these keys can float.
Ow.
No.
I don't think that.
Shake it out. Oh. Great. I don't want to spill the water.
I don't want.
Drink it.
Uh,
Maybe we can put something.
who puts water? A full bottle of water. Please explain.
Here.
Fine.
Ooh.
Let's try using this.
No.
Did they just?
Read the sign. Read the sign.
Idiots.
Just.
I don't care.
How do we supposed to get the water?
Okay, I wasn't. Or maybe. Hey.
Maybe we use a marker. A marker. How will a marker go through a plastic wire? Look, he's throwing that cup. Where's the cup?
Okay. Sure. Just now, I want you to. Alright, I'm just going. Okay, I'll get the keys out.
No, I won't do it.
Oh, no.
Oh no, I spilled the water.
I didn't want. We should.
Hey, get a hot squirt.
Oh, no.
Those are one that squirt. The rest of it.
Okay. I don't want to sneeze.
We can use a marker.
Fine. Okay. Can't. There. No, the keys are not stuck. Great, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Alright. Ooh, cakes. If you take them, you'll. What's that fire? Alright. Now I want to be free from this dummy. Oh, come on. Right, can I? Yes! What the?
Yes, I'm free. Yes.
Now I finally give tries reading.